Kitara mutya abantu bakutondera.
Muraire mta. Kansubire muraire kulwange.
How are you doing?
Sasa nina kwabuza weekend. Tuli kyali yakanga.
Kyali kasatu.
Weekend baireta.
Girlfriend's day kabaidi.
Girlfriend's day kabaye 1st August. I think probably
weekend, Friday, Saturday.
I think it was is it Saturday? Something there, Saturday or Sunday. There. Yeah, no to abaye na girlfriends. Day wakagaba bisembo.
So nyahire bisembo kanunda ku group.
Alinda bakota agabire bisembo. To ina girlfriend ko.
The ones I have do not qualify for those gifts.
Aye. Mahan.
Yes.
Charlie, please our girlfriend babundi ba Julius. Please. Mutwainge kumusemeza so that you can qualify for getting the gifts.
Bakaku.
Enyo bakam. I'm very much loved.
By to kandi, someone told me it is not all about omusajja mbukwa.
Kukuwa, it's all about what?
No musakazi mugenzi wakuwa bakubani mweyenda muri girlfriends.
Hey, well akuwa, it's all about gifting a girlfriend. If you know you have someone, you're calling a girlfriend. But you know bunkubani muisiki and I have a friend of mine, ali muisiki and we are best friends like we call each other girlfriends. Nkumuhe kisembo. Okay, get to appreciate.
Okay, now it a definition of your girlfriend imwatandikire. Egeta ya America. But for us the British abangereza a girlfriend in omuntu wina a sexual
relationship with. No, boganda hananko kagolinga.
Ati niyo nanka nkugambire.
Bajja kwetena bakugamba it is a day of gifting a girlfriend and whatever a girlfriend.
Andi kyenkugamba what boku habuza who is a girlfriend. A girlfriend.
But who is a girlfriend?
Who is a girlfriend? Of course, AI needs to kutueleza definition. A female companion in a romantic or sexual relationship. The term can also mean a close female friend, depending on who is speaking. Hati kanu kabaresere kanu nikaka America, but initially this was the definition
of a girlfriend.
Hey.
Katite tugana ne bya America na ba British ntubaya ate ne inyo abasajja mukutwale ya ba British abaskin tutwale ne ya America you gifting our fellow girlfriends. Mukikengere.
Baito nyonke ya girlfriend zenkabaniye kaguza. Omukazi 30 years. You still need the girlfriend's gift.
By the way, let me tell you one thing.
30 years.
Let me tell you one thing. Okurambo, you can be a 30-year-old woman, either in a marriage, whatever. But when you have a boyfriend, that boyfriend is calling your girlfriend.
Which boyfriend are you making?
Outside. Actually, I know your age mate.
30.
Yeah, but when you boyfriends and girlfriends.
At 30 years, olindiri Mother's Day, Women's Day, wife's day.
You know that me, I can be with someone who are way older than me, but nanyeta girlfriend ni mweta boyfriend.
You are mulainegi about girlfriends. But when you clock to 30, utakubo limbufungu.
But anyway, I'm not meaning this, but I will cheat in my marriage, whatever. But we have people, alimbufumbo, but I know you mutakumweta girlfriend. Why? I have my girlfriend.
Alimbufumbo.
I have my girlfriend.
Na chitinga he.
I know your boyfriend ahead. So all go by now gifting and actually please one more girlfriend. It will number koma we have.
So even number 50 is baba girlfriend.
Eh, nyina yo girls bambi.
Dekatulole.
Abakuzire nabo.
No, let's lekatuleke kweduka. Who is a girl? Who is a girl? Who is a girl?
A girl and a girlfriend.
Amabakazi mwenda kukikiriza mwenda kuikara muri bateibwa muri bato. Who is a girl? A younger female human. Now at 30 are you young?
Then take amugambe who is a girlfriend?
Girlfriend tukibalizo gaida.
Kati leave alone that one.
Ati girl una friend.
No, take at what age? At what age that there's being a girlfriend stop? At
what age? But of course, when you're 30, you can't be a girl.
Let me tell you one thing. Bungu bandi 30. I have my girlfriends. Abakuzire nabo. Automatically they are calling me our girl.
Eh, nikoba kwetera obji.
Eh, our girl. So mkwano.
Being a girl
friend.
Endi. Eka trole. At 30, you're not supposed to be a girl.
Otelemu girl.
18 years. It ends at 18 years.
How is it, Kubi? I wanted you to ask.
Does being a girl end?
Does being a girlfriend?
So ideally,
girlfriend.
30.
We are talking about girlfriend, not girl.
You by Dr. Manyire. Your girlfriend and a boyfriend, Dave. Kabamanyire nibyo biri tukiali bato. Biri mu high school biki.
Baby, your girlfriend and boyfriend.
Nibyo nyali nyimanyire.
These days we have that meaning of a girlfriend. Na mniko kwa kigambirege. Kina a lot of meanings by the way. Twina your girlfriend and girlfriend when they're in a relationship, can they you know?
But Magali, at 30, you're not supposed to be a girlfriend.
At 30, I'm a girlfriend with my girl.
You're not supposed to be a girl. A girl is a younger female.
Birabe nti tugenda tugihindura ebigambo byabaye nimanyisa kindi tugaruka ntubihindura kengere
mu kubihindura abo butenda kubagamba ati muri bakuru.
By the way, I don't hide my age.
Actually, someone was telling me ensonga abuwaki abakazi abakuru biro bino bakudating obwana obuto. It is because bakwenda kusigara bali bato. Hey. You know when bokuboli mukazi mukuru and you have a boy near you, go kweta husband, you feel young.
But let me tell you one thing.
Hey, you feel young.
No, you feel young, but it won't change your appearance. Actually, no.
Anti-aging it was manyiri.
No, my dear. You see this body? Yeah, the sangre go mukazi, yeah, the aize ogalo mukazi na senti za yewe na yekozero. And we took her head. Baja kumanya I'm young, she's old. Do ya de barabana anyirira. Ataina any aging whatever. So mukwano bako sleeping with a young boy and whatever and it will make you young. No. Sometimes those ladies they be missing that time of what?
Yes. I'm shooting. I'm on set. I'm on TV. Yeah.
Anyway, it's all about manyanga to make it feel them feel young. Manya to make them feel young. Okura some ladies, abamu mukoko. Their men have taken long.
Without what?
Without touching them.
Abakazi.
Without touching them.
That is true.
Mkazi na msaja na agenda. Kata mkazi wabao sometimes ataka ikile ni how many po whatever, she's in her 30s, she's in her 40s. And actually alimaba ina already active till the latest years of their whatever of their life. Katina abao nagamba really. Because actually you can't stop ovulation. Omuntu alo baba ikile yeah I know that urge of I want to be touched. You can't stop it. So nagamba wewe. Let me go get someone who will do what? Who will do the needful?
That is, of course, that is one of the points. Yeah, sex.
Yeah, then I remember.
It's all
about what? Sex.
Pressure.
But then I remember Nabogama nyangire tinkura.
Naenda
nyangire tinkura. What happened? Then I remember Nabogama bakikura just because they are in need of sex. Okay, so things are different.
So that's the reason as to why abakazi abakuru they are going for abasajja abana bato. And actually n'abana abato abasikazi abato bakwenda bikazi ebikuru. You know why?
It's the same with the girls.
Omanyira one abasajja amanya abana abasigazi bakwenda abakazi abakuru because abakazi bakuru bajja bateka pressure ya sent. You understand? Kana kono kyaka datinga orota boyfriend nyina nye website zo kukesiga bamuhairege biharate nyina musente ondi nakuterera wewe sweetheart mbani nyendo nyambise ye mitwaro nkegiti
abako kuba nabo bona
ngu obo nkubudison zezibakwa nyina nyawe abairege ali mukwihenjunza ya mireki kwanza
reason kumanya
that pressure of money abasajja amounted to them by the younger girls bagamba they kabagiyeganyire bagende
now let me tell you one okimanyire mbu sazin
no kimani kyakwa n'ensonga ezindi then secondly ebikaze bikure bikayalinga bimanyire care bimanya how to look after the man bikusaba kwesengereza omusajja kurungi because at that age really abasajja batitaba kyabateka attention you understand but ati nyo myaka yanyu because you have a number of men looking at you kubagambaho because at relatively I think ayo kireya on a daily basis abasajja akabana batano bakusa kugambaho you understand but omukazi omukuru oli no
ate kalamuka
Lugana kyokuba muka nokuba na rubata really naturally takiapizinga the eyes of men
but there are some men okula abasajja there is how you built by the way alima abasajja we nagamba me I'm not going for young girls but nagenda bakabasajja nibona ye
akandi ogwo mutima kibi
nayenda abakuru we nagamba nyo abakaba
ekyo kibi abasajja bakabasajja bakabandi mubega nyiri bajja kubatimita bajja kubaita
the reason has to why
then second okimanyira Ewo do you know these days ebikaze bikundu they are sweeter than abasajja okazo.
Do you know why they are sweet?
Babobeire.
Auntie abasajja baba kuwataho muka.
Auntie babobeire.
That's why they are what?
Now for you at that age you are sexually active. Moza kuroho Julia Richard
no bunkubandi sexual active
Samsoni akuro Simoni
tiki kumanyisa mbu bunkubandi sexual active tiki kumanyisa mbu ngende buli muntu. There are some girls who can do that but even there are these others who can't go for each and everyone but just because they
what do you know because ebikuru ebyo bitito munebi na even nanka infections because really bibobeire bimarakaire bitatungire kyamikaire
kananyo ati nukangambia reasons as abasika bato why they are going for whatever for older men one yo kagambire wagamba bayo muniko gamba
why abasiki bato bagende bisajja bikuru
yo kagambire go mwa
wagamba obukuru nizo sente
wagamba sokoleke kusinga obukuru ne muniko ati okimanye reasons are the same ekyo kubanza kyo gambire like bana bakaza bakutu pressurizing abana abojo bato kola kubasaba sente cut for us this side ya basic these men give us whatever we want
abakuru
you feel loved by the way you don't beg you don't beg another thing bana basajja
but sometimes do you think is love
hura
is buying
I'm telling you it's not by the way there are some people live alone mulima basajja bali bakuru aina basikinka tugeze batwe balinka to 10 something but there is these others we are calling them our gods by the way let me say
abasajja bakuru
they
are your gods
no
Linda what did you say
we are praising them actually akuija na kugamba kulingina kugamba tena janko mwangana ngamba Claire how are you doing I'm fine you know nkwegombera but I have a woman at home I want you to be my girlfriend a side girlfriend I'll give you whatever you want but I want you to I want to be talking to you on some stuff. I want to be having fun with you. I want to baba na agenda ha trip like trips za mulimo agenda nayo.
Na abakata kusa kutwara mukazi.
Anti mukazi inakololera amaka.
Sometimes men are also mean really because really if you are going for a trip.
Gamba we are also mean.
Okay, we are mean really because kireya wokubo ino mukazi wawo muka. Why would you opt to go for omwisikio mutono wogende na wa trip other than your woman?
Ante katule mteli omukazi bagenda kwegenda kutanika gamba nyebo jenywe njiwahire nkwenda akora kina tuna musajja wa meeting na gamba babes you know what there is somewhere they told me that ka place it has good music we first go there then wogenzere ono mukazi omukava mutwara so
and actually I realized trips ezikusinga abasajja bazigendaho habo kugenda mbwenzi. Do you know that? I have men nagamba nyoka ngenda trip Dubai. I don't know makana kisikuwa kurante bagenda kanankira Dubai.
Nagenda na
nuba kubata kaire sente ziraka saka twaira trip ya Dubai. Trip ezikusinga ebisajja bikuru zibagenzi likwenda.
Loga hale yo nkuizira that was one of the reasons. Now another reason it is similar to yours. Abasajja bakuru nabo by the way they know how to handle us baby girls. Yeah, they know how to handle us. They know how can I say, to sweet talk us. Actually, some of them no, live alone. Actually, even in bed.
Because in bed, that one is a lie. Habukuba umusajja omukuru.
Maybe ababa
oiro kina mulingo aina mulinga akuziremu. But the truth is, okay, let me say 50 plus. Kugenda higuru. Tosa kungamba nto musajja ajja kuba ina amani rubarara nko musigazi w'emyaka 2
abo tubenankira itwenga but of course there is how it is fun to do whatever you want with a man
what are participating
hey there is how it is fun So mukwano, they know how to handle us. Okura bana abojo babana babuli.
But the handle you're saying is because they give you money. Actually, the whole thing.
You know that you can fall in love with an older man, way older
because of his money.
No. Leave alone. Let me tell you one thing. Let me tell you one thing.
Kankaguzi. Okusobola kwenda isenkuru nyo wali kuli mukyalo.
Ali mukyalo.
Ataina sente. Can you fall in love with him?
Sobola kumwenda bako bali mukyalo abasonga nyati ngenda kukala mukyalo.
You see?
Ngenda kukala mtaona. Katana mche
90%. 90% the relationship between omusajja mukuru n'omukazi n'omwana omuto it is money.
Now I'm telling you one thing.
Kandi mujja kutwitira abayise bayitwinywe. Mujja kutuchwera emitima bayise.
We are handling them with care, please. Katideka ngambiri. Okurolambo, there are some men who give out money and they don't talk to you.
Romu isikia isire musajja mukuru wao side za hotel otabihuri.
Kati now okurora tuina some people, some men akweleze sente when they are not talking to you. Nakweleze sente and they go when they are not talking to you. But there is this person akweleze sente na kugamba babes, you know what? Ngakula no posting about bags. Go get those bags. Or maybe I can come and pick you, we go, you get them. Kyo kama zeno kusindikira sente. Na jana, hey, when you're home, and I'm making sure atakai kiremoka. Na kujana gamba babies cut. Now me, I'm going home. You're ale kulungi biki. If tomorrow you have anything you want, you call me. If very early in the morning, na kutela na kuramkia my baby girl, how are you doing? I'm fine. There are these ones who go silent. Katona going silent. Ogo manyire it is just business. But this one of Omanyire, hey, I have a special heart. I'm this side chick of his, a cheater partner with him. So mkwano, those guys know how to love by the way.
They know how to love.
Nyamulinko wakigambe wagama sometimes abakazi bomoka. Bagiro ruiru. Bateka basajja babo ha pressure.
Atukuna bayizire kuwumulira yi.
Ati wajja kunduga baby you come.
But abasajja bayita abakuru abayisenkuru bayitu bakwate kurungi. Miya muware.
Bakwata kurungi cyane.
Kiro kimu musajja ajja kwezinge kinywa mwina.
We know how to do to help him out.
Masopure je mukwate.
Tukumanya ebe bana tukubimanya mulingo gukora tukubayamba. Tubanza abisoma. These days we are very talented by the way. But now, pressure, we know how to do first to do the first aid.
Society kugenda mulebe. Abokwa nyonka gamba. Hata abakazi emyaka yaitu. Barani bagenda mbatata baitu. Kale naite katugume tulinde abana bomuraza.
Abana abaturaza.
Nabo bayije mukuru myaka yaitu ituko tugenze leo.
Nyonka nkugambire me as long as my by the way me I'm very fine with my kid loving an older man as long as he atira bakino kamaleka.
No nyo muhara wange. You cannot advise.
Nyawe nkugambira me by the way okura me I always say love is just a number. And you won't know who you get married to because you're not God. You get it?
But really,
yakutekira umuntu ali mukuru way older because even if you go back in the Bible those other men used to marry young ladies kandi bali bakuru. You get it? They used to marry young ladies. Kati kile kitu kyokwenda abantu bakuru bali we older than us. Tikitanikire JJS.
Abagamba gangu Aida bula ntabasajja basweraga bakazi bayingi. But that one is different from hiyo kyokubazaho. Bano babasweraga. Yasweraga bakazi.
Nanyi kyo ngamena hanu this time around alimuna kuswera. Do you know that timba alima basajja bayina abasikiba bayikaire nabo like for 5 years. Omukazi womukata kimanyemba musajja nageyo.
That's not marriage. That's not marriage. That's still cohabiting.
And they go leave at that. Abamu ni bagenda even to our parents. Ni bagenda to appreciate.
Omukazi omukuru atakimanyire.
Hey. You are going to appreciate webali kuzalo mwana no she has a lot to she cares you know
nyamba ni kugamba abakazi beira abasajja beira basweraga abakazi babasweraga naswera tugeza abakazi nka basatu bali official baba manyanga ino then bwabyaga kayikwire naswera yakana akato bagamba gante akuswera karamu henjunza abokwa bali abakazi abandi bakayikwire nabo atayina kutunga yo akaramu linda akaramu rolera kamusigaze Omumyaka entonto. And by the way there is kinaona advantage nye someone munywanu wange akaba nanyimiza nangamba tata wabo bakabarwaire najja kubafuaho hati tata wabo tajja kutunga akaisiki akato era they appreciate akana kumbuka kabaisizo ise wabo kurungi I swear.
And by the way me have ever been in a relationship with someone and he was way older but then later on
Mufirika.
Then later on his wife found out and the wife had to call me without knowing that was the wife to the man. So when I went there and the lady was like, I appreciate you so much.
Nakusima.
I appreciate you so much for the work you've done. Bananga, thank you so much. She even gave me money. But later on, that guy went back to South Africa, and what I heard, he passed on over Banyamaka against hiking, something like that, and he passed on. But I was so surprised.
Hata bakibata kugwesere nawe ibyo bugaiga.
Hata kagenda South Africa. Bakafuruka hano Uganda bagenda South Africa. Yeah. Somkwan. It is very surprising imba bakaza abamu they are not jealous over their husbands.
Ati nicyo kiri nkugambirege. Nicyo kiri nkugambirege whenever you are oli mukazi boko oli mukazi mukuru kwenda kusigara oli muto oyina kutunga ira kana kato nicyo kimuna abazeyi you understand because over no iwe just tera makasi sana oyina bagenzi baba bato iyo kimayibo banabo ukorere bye kitu it is the same thing.
By the way, I'm very strongly standing. I'm very fine with them dating older men. More than dating breaking advice.
That's the wrong advice.
No, but when she grows up and she feel like she wants to, I'm very fine with it. I won't object. Right now she's 18. No. If she wants to.
Do you know
I'm not giving advice. I'm not giving advice. But if she happens to meet someone and that someone is caring about her and they love her and they are way older, go for it.
But
abakino ikizabo njaba isikota kwa ikiriza
nyeki ndaka kizinikyo kinonti you can fully fall in love.
Yeah, you can fully fall in love. Even this older guy can fully fall in love. Sometimes you encounter problems. You work again just because maybe you just swear because of this care they are caring for you and you don't want a real relationship, and it happens this guy likes whatever you're doing and they love you for real and they become possessive. Tibako ndo libate. When you're moving, you have to move with them. When you're moving, you have to communicate. And you'll be like trapped. And that is another disadvantage.
Atabe miaka ya ukubota kiabenda.
By the way, me naturally. Kambagambira mazima. Me, I love my man way older than me.
Awaina na shazin?
I love my man way older than me.
Hey, aina miaka nkainga. Aina miaka nkainga.
Ali 60 something. Kudopa. Unkudopa.
Jaja kuferekirira mu kifuba.
Kudopa. He's a baby. Unkudopa chari. But me, naturally, I love my man way older than me. Tinyenda manyanga dating someone. I'm 20. Manyanga, he's 21. Manyanga, I'm 21. He's 22. I'm 20. Whatever, he's 23.
But you keep saying muba agements about.
In my agements, Kamanyiro. Kamanyiro is too much. Mostly the boys. Timuraba is cap. By the way, Okuraba is kiba. Omukuraba is kiba kilo winge. Borisango miskina yekore bintu yogamba she's a bad ass. So just to know behind there. Namba yatandiki relationship ya yabandizi. There is someone who did her bad, so bad. Yamtandinga kola bine bintu byogamba tinki afa etinkwende byokumanya tinkwende byake.
Arokuba naturally nawe nuko yakuzire.
Alimo kuba naturally niko wakuzire, but most of the girls abakiro wingi they were turned because of the heartbreaks bafunile. Hatina kamanyiro kaboje bana abamubane boja kumudating my dear. Akusange no ndira.
Oiro bambi nyole kankolera habayisikise omurundo gukubanza. Abaisiki bano kyali tubadetinga oja sometimes anti ruhanga akatusereke mitima hati wo ija kyali no gamba mwegombere ijuka believe me the first sight in most cases hala abasaija eba rusting not rusting but last year kuba kuwaka na kasikia kombaire kikabya mahondo obuniyo dorobere okengere hati in most cases egyo lasting niyo naija nayo hati naija nakugambaho no banza no mutari banza no mutari nakye ina lasting bulira kuroga na rura kantu wako hati wekyali ina no maraga falling in love hati juka wakakumara kujuramu nikiwa kikozereki takiyakwata amasimu gawe takiyakora hati kyali juka ibo bantu bayizire na no mutima gwa wholeheartedly, and that is always the biggest problem.
Yeah,
you understand. Hey.
Leave alone even the biggest problem. To have under talk we can relationship. No way for God's sake. But when you're not the main chick.
Yes, definitely.
When you're not the main chick. You're everything. In the position of actually ordering around. He has power. But when he's doing bad things behind your back.
Keeping around because maybe you are good in bed.
Leave alone good in bed. Abamu they keep us around. They are like Abamu they keep girls around just because this girl works. She has money.
But pressure sent. Another thing when he wants money, just because you know what? Okumwenda. Another thing relationship is omunsiko genda gam relationship oyina mwawe mmojo ntamanyi mwawe kafuna yota. Maybe you've hustled. Ati nkabamu you have hustled to have our own places. Omoje naija bwayizire badiyanka ne bamuno omuntu to come at my place. Either by the way, I don't invite people at my place. Antura nkano bamuno if a person in the name of I want to come and see you and they don't carry anything with them. Aro kuba ayizire najja kwa sente.
No.
Even a penny of money.
Actually, even if you're going to give someone money, carry like a yogurt or something.
I was telling someone.
So about
tricky.
My age mates.
Kandi ati bokusanga some of us night abayine bitulabiremo because of love. Ate ebintu ebindi biri bizibu halitu. You I've dated someone. Nyaba serious nawe. But when is hard to please. Hati nyobu sonke kinte kinkwase kiniga. Sakuba nekitali kiniga batukunduma. Kanoga let me think maybe ntagenda kuonka kamutwalire yakayugati. Nkamulingo gambire. Ati no mutwalira yugati. Maybe oguzire strawberry, vanilla biki no gima. Nyobo jo vanilla tingienda. Okay. You understand that statement? Obairo mulete omanyira ajja kusiima asemererwe hati yo no gamba kali nyo kambye ganyirire kimu
nyoka one thing ekinteza omuntu even if someone brings me some because most of the times when a person tells me I want to come and bring you something mugamba just send a border man kati when they bring me something even if mbaire ntakienda even if untakia trust me I show that thing of appreciating kyonka mutima downing manyire
those are the few people are hold ajja kikolekiza ho no mugulire kirana gamba
anyoti ya sister wangu muto ni wagenda akirya but ninkolira gamba oh thank you so much bojenyo thank you so much nikusimira kemo mkwano kyonka tagenda akirya so me relationship is abojo batu nzisangiremo issues nyingi issues nyingi. Someone wants to overpower you, but they are not doing anything as a boyfriend. You get it? They're not doing anything as a boyfriend. They're not doing anything to show that you're loved by me. Me, someone to please me, ainakuole kiambo I'm loved by him.
Anti oyende bikupamparing.
Ainakunyole kiambo I'm loved. By the way, if you're not a pampering man, to me, ganda.
Nyebi a pampering byaha.
Go away.
Ataruho bagenda ali mukujwara.
Njensibe zip.
Na juara hati namuga. Ibyo kusibe ibyo ati nyo ntali bintamye nibunsisirize mu mugongo.
Sisiriza mugongo bakiriya.
Nibikwase kiniga. Ate kinte kisinge kuntama.
Okura kumsisiza mugongo when you're sleeping.
Ati bakwa na antali mukujwara mbusisirize mu mugongo. Ate iya maraganga mbambu mukutiro bukaito. Yamugabo tunangayi watovoge kumanyira bumanyira
tekali kamanyiro
anti mi nyato nyobuzibu hali buta nyonta munyoroli munyoro wenyino oli wakalicha
wakalicha manya traditional simanya traditional which no
that is me
no me I love to be pampered. I love my man to show me I have in the bitakusobola kutumiriza nko bagama do me this and do me this but me I love my man to show
nyono kuntuma timbienda ngo borano garuka okiame ha supermarket ongulire yo mugato ongulire
kama yole to mugato kati bwetekerereze if you don't want me to send you
ebe night imbienda
ikamkicha na mugato hoiroga kandi wanda muno mugato blibande hoiroga you can't do that obirete
barenewe mwebale kutondera bakutondera ndabo kuramuki
kuramuki abantu ba view once mbenda muno abantu
banyenda
bajja kwenda by force moja mwenda by force why would you love me and you don't love him please mwebale kuturaga bukere buteyizire everyone is there tubawo hano
esa ibiri za kiro
kubaza bitu boine ne bitugo etekereza nkaitwe.
Let this conversation flow mu comment section tugambire relationships zinu agement na ya mutono mukuru iwo preferring aki ya agement wawe obo kwenda a person who is way older than you. So mebale kutugonza either way. Mebale no supporting a show ya itaba mugenda ya YouTube bulikyo nyonja kubejukizaga. You go on YouTube, view, like and comment and subscribing
yeah.
And don't forget Biro kweza 23 October twina Tales of Julius Omuhendo t-shirts ziroho abakagadi mukusa kuziha Cox Fashion zi noho ziri mu Cox aho mbokuboli hoimano kusa kunterera. I'm looking to where to put them mu masindi yoko. But don't forget 23rd October Tales of Julius Omuhendo.
It's gonna be massive. Tugenda kuja mtendo kororugamba
ara isikorora nukawakileya kajja kuba face to face okaroleho
tunitukorora rugambo nitwasama
bayiraba nakanambo inakagaba that day sajja baraba haho wena kuleta bayisiki myaka yawe gibaje betege baje bakoleki
yes bakuja kwetega bangeti betega bakabatwalaire abankuleta ndanza kufuna imeba barabani benda kwetega by the my viewers family please guys
viewers inakugura table
twinagura table timanyeze zingamanya bakastero price
table ye million bati butinka bigambire abantu bati ye million
chali mumale tumale tugulete by the way Prince Twinkles ogo mugaiga wange ogo wetebogo aja kuleta abantu Prince Twinkles t-shirts ziroho oinagura t-shirts ukwenda t-shirt nkaizinga haitani so that's it.
Thank you so much for watching. Mikale kurungi
kale bye.
Kitara TV, Kwegesa, Kumanyisa.